Yesterday we absolutely did nothing. I think I stayed in my pajamas all day and edited video. Now today we ran out of food. We no longer have food in the house, so now we're gonna go out and eat. We've cooked it all and eaten it all. So we're going out to eat now, and I think I'm gonna hit the grocery store and grab some snacks and some food for us. Then we're gonna head back to the house. It is Friday, last day of work. And then I think we're gonna plan some stuff for this weekend, I think.
Hopefully some drone footage and just exploring the city a little bit. We want to go out and venture other places around Old Town, but we might wait until next weekend to do that.
Yeah, because Logan hasn't really gotten to venture Old Town too much because he had to leave for a work trip. So I think this is the weekend for him.
Catch up.
Logan had to run home after we ate. The food was absolutely delicious. I loved my falafel plate. Definitely going back there for that. Running to the store now to get some snacks and some food. He's going back home for a work meeting. And then I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna edit some video. I think I'm gonna FaceTime my best friend today also because I haven't talked to her since I was in Athens. And then we're going to plan what we're doing for the weekend. Till the weekend has begun with all the tour groups coming in. So the rest of the day, I FaceTimed my best friend Aaliyah, and Logan worked.
And listened in on the conversation.
Most of the time. I have been editing video now for the rest of the afternoon. I guess it is evening now. It's almost 9 o'clock, I think.
It's night.
It's nighttime. It's not even afternoon. We are gonna head out, I think, and go get pizza at a place here called Pronto Pizza. It's just like street food to go. It's €3 per slice.
Excellent.
So I decided to get myself a scoop of raspberry sorbet. Logan got himself a
Dessert
beer.
of my own.
We're definitely gonna go back to that place because it has super cute like cakes that they make and pastries. So I feel like I'm gonna go there tomorrow for some really good dessert. We're gonna head home now, probably call it a night and just work the rest of the night. Logan and I have literally done nothing today besides get ready. And I guess I have done my video work because I've been procrastinating it.
A little late, but that's all right. It's 3 p.m. I'm working on the thumbnail right now, and we're going to go out and explore.
Yeah. I like that. Church, and there is a sign in there and it says it's from 1195. That is insane. That's older than Venice where we were at. Europe just gets older and older. This is crazy. We're gonna grab a bite to eat because we are starving. I'm gonna go to this place. I'm taking Logan to this place called I think La Cathedral Pasta Bar. I'm really excited about it. I saw it and it's supposed to be good and it's supposed to have really good authentic Italian pasta. So we'll judge it. was absolutely phenomenal. Like some of the most unique flavors I've ever had with pasta. I had like a cheese pear. Logan had like a red sauce and shrimp, I think it was. He's busy right now flying the drone. So I'm hoping we're gonna get really good footage.
Just got done with the drone. I feel really good about it. I think some of the shots are gonna come out really good. I'm still shaking a little bit from anxiety, but yeah, I don't know. We didn't have any issue. Nobody looked at me crazy or anything. And it's honestly a really hard drone to hear, so I think we're good. Can't wait to get home and look at that footage.
All right, after drone footage, we are heading back to our apartment because it's starting to kind of sprinkle, and the weather said it's supposed to storm really, really bad tonight. So we're gonna take all of our equipment back home so none of it gets wet. We might continue to go back out because we can get wet and who cares, but we also might just stay in because these clouds are looking gnarly.
I don't know, my shirt's kind of see-through and if it gets wet, you know. We just found out there was a 200 euro fine for walking around shirtless. We were sitting down and eating, and a couple was walking by, looked like they just got done swimming or something, and an employee told them, hey, I would throw a shirt on so you don't get charged. So interesting, but kind of cool of the city to do that.
Yeah. Dropped off our equipment, and we are sitting in the apartment, and we hear like some type of like concert going on, people cheering. It sounds like there's like a really loud speaker going on, like we can hear someone like talking and singing and music. So we're gonna go back out and see if we can find where this is happening, and that might be where we end up for the rest of the night. Okay, so sadly I think we figured out that the noise is coming from a cruise ship. So
now we have to get on the cruise ship.
No. We are just gonna be walking the city wall, I think, to the edge here. I think there's a restaurant down here. And then I wanna go to the jazz bar, but I am seeing some crazy lightning from these clouds. This storm rolling in looks scary. Like I've never seen clouds this like black almost. Well, we found the source of the music. It's a wedding on this rooftop. It is gorgeous up here. That was crazy. Literally, okay, we saw it, but it came so fast and the wind was so loud. We literally just made it back in time. Wow. It is so windy. Like I have never experienced wind like that. Like you could like literally hear the rain and the wind coming in.
We heard it like 30 seconds away. Abby says, I hear rain, and we start running. We're just kind of walking towards the private party, which is a dead end.
I know.
They're just lollygagging, and we started running back the other way. We looked crazy for a second, but
then everyone else was like, "Oh shit!"
Wind, leaves, rain. It was insane.
It was crazy. Whew. All right, so what we were in was just like the tip of the iceberg. It's supposed to get way worse. I don't know if we're gonna be going out tonight, which kind of sucks. I was really looking forward to it. We might just be calling it a movie night tonight. So like typical coast weather, The storm came and went, so we are gonna go back out. The wedding is still going strong. It never stopped. We're gonna now, I wanna go to that jazz bar that we've been seeing. It looks like it's got like tons of lights and things like that, but then there's also a club that Logan and I passed one of the first nights we were here, and it's like kind of like in like a little corner that I want to try going to tonight also. The nightlife here does look lively, so I want to see what it's about. I guess the best nightclub though is in Budva, so we might try to hit that one night too. Definitely not tonight though. So I just hope the rain holds off. It does say it's supposed to hit again, but fingers crossed it doesn't. So we have found a stray dog here in Kotor, and we don't know what to do with it, but it's so cute, and I think it has like fleas. It's just so sad because someone just dropped it off and left it here. And it's also pouring down rain right now, so I don't want it to be outside by itself. It's okay. Okay, so the dog is inside of our Airbnb. We're technically not supposed to have pets in here, but it is not our pet. It's just staying for tonight. The storm was so bad, we could not leave it out there by itself. It's so tiny. The smallest little puppy, we couldn't leave it out there by itself, but it looks very relaxed in here.